Good morning, student. BSc final year 5th sem. I think paper one. It will includes I think cell biology is there and fantastic genetics is there as well as cell division as well as cell cycle. First, I want to start unit number one. That one is I think which one, the cell biology. Within this cell biology, we want to study about almost all, I think, prokaryotic cell, eukaryotic cell, then the cell organelle, all these things. Okay. Now I want to start about, I think, what do you mean by cell? Normally, you will know very well what do you mean by cell. It is a structural as well as functional unit of life. Sir, what do you mean by structural? What do you mean by functional unit of life, sir? You must see. I think these are, I think, your eyes. The cell, they will give the shape to the eyes. That is what cell, they will use what shape to the eyes. Then all the, I think, your eyes, they will do a function is there. Okay, they are I think was I think searching, watching, all these things, and then they can do the specific function. And hence the cell, it will use what specific structures to the eye, as well as that eye, it will do a specific function. Okay, then that is the main concept of the cell. That is the structural as well as the functional unit of life. Then Mr. Leeuwenhoek, he is the first person to discover about, I think, a cell. Then afterwards, Mr. Robert Hooke, he coined the term cell. Okay, then I think Theodore Schwann is there, as well as Sladen is there. Almost all number of scientists they are doing very well, I think, study about the cell. Then, I think, within your syllabus unit number 1, we want to study about the prokaryotic cell as well as eukaryotic cell. Sir, what do you mean by prokaryotic cell? Sir, what do you mean by eukaryotic cell? Here, I want to compare, I want to explain with a comparison between the prokaryotic cell as well as eukaryotic cell. Okay? Then, I think, first we want to know about the prokaryotic cell. This prokaryotic cell, what do you mean by prokaryotic cell, sir? They do not have what? True nucleus as well as membrane bound cell organelles. That is called as prokaryotic cell. They do not have what? Which one? They do not have what? True nucleus. There is no, I think there is no presence of what? Nucleus. Okay. Then other cell organelles. What are those? I think which one? Cell organelle or membrane bound organelle. Those are what? Mitochondria, lysosomes, ribosomes, endoplazmic reticulum, Golgi complex. These are called what? Cell organelles. These are not present within the prokaryotic cell. Okay, that is, I think, what do you mean by prokaryotic cell? They do not have what? True nucleus, as well as they do not have what? I think membrane bound cell organelle. That is called as prokaryotic cell. Sir, what do you mean by eukaryotic cell, sir? Here, these are offset, but in the eukaryotic cell, these are what? Present. Okay. What do you mean by eukaryotic cell? They have what? They have true nucleus. They have what? Membrane bound cell organelle. That is called a what? Eukaryotic cell. Then I think these are single cell. Prokaryotic cells are what? Single cell. But eukaryotic cells are what? More than one cell. That is, I think, multicellular. Okay. Then I think single cell. Here I want to give an example for the prokaryotic cell. That is, I think, bacteria. I think bacteria as well as cyanobacteria. These are called what? Prokaryotic cell. But I think in the eukaryotic cell, we want to take an example. I think normally we will know, I think, protozoa, Porifera, Coelenterata within your zoology. Then as well as I think in the plants, fungi. In the plant kingdom, you will study about the fungi, the bryophyta, pteridophyta, gymnosperm, as well as angiosperm. All these plants are what? Eukaryotic. As well as I think animals, almost all of the animals, it may be, I think reptiles are there, amphibians are there, eels are there, mammals are there. It may be 9 non-chordate phylums are there. Okay, all these are what? Eukaryotic. They having the eukaryotic cell. Okay, here you can take an example: protozoa, fungi, plants, as well as animals. Then in the which one? I think these prokaryotic cells, they do not have what? Nuclear membrane. How it will be present? No, there is a if there is not presence of nucleus, definitely nuclear membrane is absent. But this nuclear membrane is present in eukaryotic cell. But that nuclear membrane is absent in prokaryotic cell. Then that they lack in the prokaryotic cell. I think they do not consist of what? Mitochondria. as well as Golgi complex, as well as chloroplast, as well as lysosome. These are completely absent in the prokaryotic, which are prokaryotic cell. But these mitochondria, then Golgi complex, as well as chloroplast, as well as lysosome, these are completely present in the eukaryotic cell. Along with which one? Endoplasmic reticulum. These are present in the eukaryotic cell. Then once again that endoplasmic reticulum, it will be divided into two types. So what are those? First one is what? RER, rough endoplasmic reticulum, as well as SER, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. But these endoplasmic reticulum are completely absent in the prokaryotic cell, but these are present in the eukaryotic cell. Then the ribosome, these are the main concept of which one? Eukaryotes. Okay, these ribosomes must and should these are present within the eukaryotic cell because they want these are the main factories. These are the main factory for the synthesis of what? Proteins. Hence the ribosomes are absent. But here the cell in the eukaryotic cell, the cell division, it can undergo what? Mitosis. Definitely. Hence they will grow very well, along with the mitosis. Okay. Then here histone proteins, these are completely absent in the prokaryotic cell. But those histone proteins, those are present in the eukaryotic cell. These histone proteins are absent in which one? Prokaryotic cell. But these histone proteins, these are must and should these are present in the which one? Eukaryotic cell. Then about the cell structure, cell wall, it is made up of carbohydrate as well as amino acids in the prokaryotic cell. In the prokaryotic cell, you will take the bacteria cell wall. You can take the cyanobacteria cell wall. These are made up of what? Which one? Carbohydrates as well as amino acid. But the cell wall in the which one? The cell wall of the eukaryotic cell, it is made up of which one? Cellulose is there, pectin is there, lignin is there in the plants, as well as proteins. Okay, these are present in the eukaryotes. Okay, then the cell wall, then the plasma membrane, it will act as that was the main concept. Plasma membrane in the prokaryotic cell, it will behave like or it will act as what? A mitochondrial, which one? Mitochondrial membrane. That mitochondrial membrane or the plasma membrane, both are same. That plasma membrane, it behave like mitochondrial membrane. It having a fantastic respiratory enzyme. That is, observe how the bacteria, they will respire, because those plasma membrane of the bacteria cell wall, it is made up of what? Respiratory enzymes. Okay, then the next one, which one? Genetic material is present in the cytoplasm in the prokaryote. Genetic material is present in cytoplasm. Have you got it? That one is called what? It is known as what? Nuclear. There is no presence of what? Nucleus. Hence we can call it as what? Nucleon in the prokaryote only, because nucleus is completely absent. If nucleus is present, we can't call it the nucleon. If the nuclear membrane it is completely absent, then that type of nucleus, that one is called what? Nuclear. Hence, genetic material, hence it is present within the nucleus or outside the nucleus. Definitely, nucleus is completely absent in the prokaryote, hence the genetic material is present completely in the cytoplasm. Okay, then and the fantastic concept of the prokaryote, especially the capsule. That capsule, it is present only in the bacteria. Not all the bacteria. Some bacteria they have the capsule, some bacteria they do not have the capsule. Normally, in the molecular biology you will study very well about the DNA is the genetic material. There is an experiment is there. Okay, then capsule, that outer protective covering of the bacteria. That capsule, the bacteria, it is made up of an outer covering. That outer covering is called capsule. You can call it as slime layer also. If it is present, then that bacteria definitely it will, which one? It will cause diseases, Okay. Then that capsule, if it is present in bacteria, definitely it will cause diseases. If some bacteria they do not have the capsule, hence they can't cause the disease. Okay, then you can take within your curd there are some I think bacteria are there. Yeah, they do not cause I think disease. These are helpful for us. Hence, okay, the capsule is what? It is an outer protective layer of the bacterial cell. Then the cytoplasm, as well as that cytoplasm, it will consist of what? Number of enzymes in the prokaryotic cell. Then as well as that cytoplasm of the prokaryotic cell, it will consist of some cell organelle, some cell organelle, not all the cell organelle, as well as cell membrane. It will surround the cytoplasm. Then the another very interesting concept of the which one prokaryotic cell, especially in the bacteria, we will see the pili. In the plural word, we can call it as pili. In the singular word, pillars. Okay, sir, what is the meaning of pili, sir? How it will be helped, sir? Okay, that pili, these are hair-like structure. These are what? Hair-like structure. These are help for the attachment of the two bacteria cell. For the purpose of what? Exchange of genetic material. This is called as transformation. Last point is what? Transformation is there. If the two bacteria, if they want to attach with one another for the purpose of exchange of genetic material, definitely the pili of each bacteria, first they will join. First they will attach, then after they will form a bridge-like connection between the two bacteria. Then there is an exchange of genetic material. That is called a conjugation. Or conjugation, not transformation, conjugation. Okay, this I think. Then here the locomotory organ in the prokaryotic cell is mainly done by the flagella. In a few species of I think prokaryote, maybe I think cilia are there. Okay, then ribosomes. These are little amount of ribosomes are present in the prokaryote. These are also helpful for the synthesis of protein. Okay, then then I think reproduction. First then here we want to see. Then the in the cell wall, in the eukaryotic cell, the eukaryotic cell wall, it is very tough in the plants. It is very tough in the plants. Then it is absent. That cell wall, it is completely absent in the animal. We do not have the cell wall. Yeah, then I think it is composed of, in the plants it is composed of what? Cellulose is there, pectin is there, protein is there, lignin is there. Normally you will study in the I think first semester. Okay, then here in the eukaryotic cell, especially in the plants, they having the plastids. So what do you mean by plastid? In the plant, these are present only in the plant. Then chloroplast, they will use what? Which one? Green color. Okay, definitely chlorophyll pigment is there in the plants. Hence the chloroplast, these are present in the eukaryotes but not in the prokaryote. Then another one, chromoplast. I think some plants they will use the red flower, yellow flower. It may be any other color. Okay, these chromoplasms, these are what? They will use the color. Okay, these are the main comparison between the prokaryotic cell as well as eukaryotic cell. Then in the prokaryotic cell, sir, reproduction, how it will be done, sir? Asexual reproduction is done by what? Binary fission. Yeah, binary fission. Then one single, which one? One single bacteria, it will divide itself. The bacteria, the single cell bacteria, it will divide itself to form what? Two bacteria. It is called what? Binary fission. That is called what? Binary fission. That is, I think, also sexual reproduction is done by the binary fission. Then sexual reproduction, it is called, I think, done by the conjugation is there. Very fantastic concept. That one is okay. Then I think conjugation. What do you mean by conjugation? I already have told you about the conjugation. That is, there are two bacteria are there. Yeah, there are what? Two bacteria are there. It having pili. It having also pili. It having pili. All the bacteria. Yeah, then these pili, these are here for what, sir? These are the pili. You can also call what? These pili, these are also called as sex pili because these are here for what? Attachment. These two pili, first they will attach with one another, then they will form a bridge. They will form a what? Bridge is there. Then here the genetic material. Here it having also a genetic material in the I think a nuclear having a genetic material. that genetic material, it is completely, that DNA of the bacteria, it is completely circular. Must and should it is a circular in nature. Okay. Then there is an exchange. This bacteria, this one is the first bacteria, this one is second bacteria. The second bacteria genetic material, it will move through this I think sex pillage bridge or the pilus bridge. Then it will intermingle with the another bacteria, that is called as conjugation. Then the transformation. Then last one, transduction. Sir, what do you mean by transduction, sir? Here I want to cut it. Okay. Then there is a transformation of genetic material is there between the two bacteria, that is called what? Conjugation through the sex pillage. Then what do you mean by transduction, sir? Here the transfer of genetic material from one bacteria to the another bacteria, the transformation of what? One bacteria to the another bacteria through the bacteriophase. Which one? Bacteriophase. Sir, how it will be done, sir? First, the bacteriophase. Bacterial eaters are called as what? Bacteriophase. Now, some viruses, they will attack on the bacteria. Those viruses which will attack on the bacteria, such viruses are called as what? Bacteriophage. This bacteriophage, I think one single bacteriophage, first it will attack on this bacteria, then the genetic material will enter into the bacteriophage. Then this bacteriophage once again it will attack on the another bacteria, then it will transform the which one genetic material into the another bacteria. That is called what? Transduction. Okay. What do you mean by transduction? The transformation of genetic material from one bacteria to the another bacteria through the bacteriophage. That one is called what? Transduction. Okay. This is about the main general organization of the prokaryotic cell as well as eukaryotic cell. Then I think you must watch very clearly the structure. Already have sent about the which one prokaryotic cell as well as eukaryotic cell diagram. Then tomorrow I will give next class about the nucleus. Okay. Thank you.